Hi, I just want to take this opportunity to do this review for the CRS Solution Institute Salesforce course. It's been an eye-opener, especially for a beginner, a non-IT person trying to get into Salesforce. The lectures are perfect, are just profound. Believe me, you will learn industry-based practices that would help you break into Salesforce, even if you are a non-IT person. So I encourage you, I invite you to join this course, CRS Solutions Salesforce course. It's a wonderful place to be. You meet trainers that are there for you. Go there now, join, and you would have an awesome experience. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.